Hi guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I will show you the daily combo hamster combat in July 24, 2024. Before we start that, please subscribe, like and share to my YouTube channel for more videos to help you. So let's begin now. So this is the first card, guys. And this is the second one. And lastly, this is the third card. So that's all. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share to my YouTube channel. Good luck, guys.